Right, so this is punch set 4 of the punch and stamps. This is the Carnation, the Sweet William and also the Peony. So we're going to make the Peony. So for the Peony we need 12 of the large petal, we need 9 of the small one, we also need 1 green sepal in green and also 2 in yellow and also a couple of leaves. Okay, so if we just put that to one side, I'm now going to take my large embossing tool and I'm just going to emboss all the leaves. Okay, so give them all a nice bit of shape. So there we go. So I've already got some done here. So we're going to work with the large ones first. So let's place all them to one side. So this is the base that you're going to be gluing to. So if you take your glue and apply your glue all the way around and start applying the petals, just for the camera I'm going to use the heat gun, okay, so it's really nice and quick. So let's go. First of all, round this one we're going to glue 6 petals. So starting at the top there, we're going to work our way around and we're going to glue 6 petals slightly overlapping each other all into the centre. So working around, if you're working with a glue gun, please be careful of your fingers because it does get rather hot. So working our way around. That's 4. 5. And the last one being 6. So that now is the base of your flower. So we're now going to add the other petals on the inside edge. Now a tip here, if you are using a glue gun, okay, because you want it to stay still, the easiest way I found of doing it is place a little bit of glue on the back side and just glue it to your glass mat. Okay, and then you've got 2 hands free to be able to do the rest of the gluing. So place the glue on there and then we're going to go in and we're going to add all these petals all the way around, just overlapping them so they overlap the first layer as well. 4. Just change hands a minute. 5. And then the last one going in is 6. So that is the base there. Okay, so we're now going to start with these little ones. Okay, now we've got 9 of these, so we're going to do a layer of 5 and then a layer of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the last one's going in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the base of your petal. Okay, so these are going to be your little stamens. Okay, so we need to cut these down and we need to cut down each of the little star points. So you're going to take your scissors and you're literally going to cut down each of these little points. Makes them a lot daintier. I nearly chopped my finger then. All the way down. Okay, We're then going to emboss that. Okay, it does need to be embossed in the centre. Just be careful, because you have cut down, you've only got a little bit of paper left there. Okay, so that's your little stamens. So let's just glue that into the centre. Just in there. Now I do like to add a couple of beads at this point. So if we place a little bit of glue in the centre there, and then we're just going to add some little seed beads. Now while that's just drying, these are your little leaves. Okay, so with these, all you're going to do is fold them in half. Doesn't have to be exact half, but you're just going to fold them in half like that. Okay, so they're nice little leaves. So just take this off your board now. So the easiest way, take your craft pick, just place it underneath and just ease it off your board. Just knock those back off there. And then we're just going to stick our leaves behind. So a little bit of glue on there. You can probably hear there's a fly just come into the office, but it'll disappear in a minute. So next one going on there. So just sticking these on the bottom. Let's have 3, seeing as we've got 3 there. Just going in there. Right, so now you're going to do is just open your petals up slightly. Open them up as much as you want, it's entirely up to you. But you now have the most beautiful little peonies. You can make them in whatever colour you want, but they are absolutely beautiful, so petite.